Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today I am doing another mystery box, like unboxing a mystery box. I know I've mentioned so many times that I need to stop doing these because I always get so disappointed, but I keep on going back for more. And when I saw that Spectrum brushes basically had some mystery boxes, and I was like, you know what, I need new brushes and they're pretty affordable. And yeah, let's just purchase it. So this is the box that I got. This is the Cosmos kind of box. They do have two other versions, so there's three altogether. This actually cost I believe it was $39.99, and you get over £100 worth of items in there. You will get a mixture of brushes and makeup. I know for sure that they were gonna have some makeup, some brushes in there, because they did mention you're guaranteed to get a set of brushes and then everything else is at random. So I picked this up about a week ago and I have received it quite quickly. I just haven't had any time to film, so this is like the time to film it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I love the packaging, I love this design. It is very me. I'm not a like a witch or anything, but I just like Cosmos and I like, you know, space and all this stuff. So this is absolutely stunning. The box itself is really nice. I actually thought, I didn't think it was going to be like a flimsy cardboard box. I thought it'd be like a stronger box, but that's not a big issue. I can use it for other things. So I have already seen what's inside because I couldn't hold my horses, but let's get into it. So it is basically like completely filled with stuff, which is amazing in the first place. So the first things that are on top are actually makeup items. So I got two makeup items. The first one is the Dark Matter Mascara, which I have received previously in a mystery box, and it's actually quite a nice mascara. It's I've always said this on my channel, like if you've not seen my videos before, mascaras are very here and there for me because my lashes are very heavy and they don't like to stick up very well, that they just droop down. So any mascara that I wear won't make a huge difference, but this is quite nice. I still do have my other one, which I'm pretty sure is drying up soon, so as soon as that's finished I can start using this. And then the next makeup item I have is a Glowful mini mist. So this is the hydrating and illuminating mist. I've not actually seen this before, so I didn't know that they actually did mist or anything like this. So I guess it's going to have little gold speckles in there. You just give it a bit of a shake and you spray. So it's your perfect pick-me-up partner to hydrate, refresh and illuminate your skin. Okay, I don't know if you wear this with makeup. I'm not going to try it now because obviously I have makeup on, which I've just done. I think this might just be for your skin itself as opposed to actual makeup. So that is essentially the last makeup item that I got. That's totally fine for makeup. Spectrum are not always known for their makeup, and I have tried a couple of their makeup items before which are pretty good, but you know, I'm here for the brushes. So next we have some sponges. Basically I've needed new sponges for ages because the ones that I use tend to get dirty. I do clean them, but you know, after a while they do tend to not be the same anymore. So you get two latex-free Makeup Wonder sponges. You get one full size and one half size. That's pretty cool. I love the packaging as well. Like, I know these are not the newest of collections to come out, and that's what I think brands tend to do with these like mystery boxes. Any type of products that they have left, they just put in these boxes, which I think is pretty good. I know subscription boxes do that as well. And I don't have any subscription boxes, and I don't really buy mystery boxes as often from certain brands. So you get the big size and the half size, which is fantastic. It's good for like your under eyes, and this is just for foundation and everything. So I will have a lot of work with these, so that's fantastic. Next we have an individual brush. So this is I believe it's a highlighter brush. So this is the Spectrum B08. This is a really nice purple shade. I love purple. So it's kind of like a duochrome type of brush, and it's very soft. I mean, I have used Spectrum brushes for quite a few years, so I know that most of my brushes, most of my face brushes that I use are Spectrum anyway. Next We have this little duo. So this is the Cheek Duo, like amethyst brand, like the set. So you've got an angled cheek brush, and then you also have a luxe fan. I'm not the biggest fan of fan brushes, because I just think it's a bit too spread out, as opposed to how I want my highlighter to just be more kind of guided on my cheek. But you know what, I love, again, it's purple, it's sticking with like this theme. Not that these were the theme of the box, because I'll show you those in a moment, but I still love this, and I could always use more brushes basically. Next we have this Spectrum Essential Face 3-piece set. So this is again quite, I don't think it's that recent, but it's definitely been out for at least a year, the collaboration that they have with these. So you get, like I mentioned, 3 brushes. You get the AO3 to apply your foundation, so I believe it's this one just on the end, and then you get the BO2 to buff in your foundation if you prefer a fuller coverage, or this brush is to perfect or creating a subtle contour under your cheek, so that's probably this one. And then you've got the BO4 for powdering your T-zone, applying highlighter or blush. Actually, so I think that's probably this one. These flat ones that people use for foundations don't really work for me. I prefer to have something to actually like work a bit more quicker, because when it comes to brushes, I just don't think I do the technique very well. And then the last things are in here. So this is one of the incentives for me to actually buy this box as well. You get this massive set of brushes. So I already have quite a few of these brushes in this design already. I probably have the majority of these brushes, but again, I've had them for a really long time, and so I thought, let me pick these up. So these are part of the cosmetic collection. So these are I guess they're like purple with brushes, not brushes, with stars on them. And yeah, I've just always really liked these brushes. I've always needed more eye brushes when I do obviously eye looks. I want really small precision brushes because my eyes are quite small, and they're just really oddly shaped. So if I have brushes that are small and helpful, kind of like these ones just here, then that's perfect. And basically that is it. And I genuinely think this is a fantastic mystery box, because like I've mentioned so many times, when I get mystery boxes in like subscription boxes, I'm always disappointed, because you never know what you're gonna get. But I know at least from Spectrum, they're not gonna have makeup brushes or skincare products from other brands, if that makes sense. So it's specifically to this brand, and specifically I know what I'm going to be getting, but I really like it. I mean, it's definitely worth £40, especially just for the brushes. You've got the 2 makeup items, which I will use. They're not throwaway items that I'm just kind of like, oh, they're old, I'm getting rid of them. But yeah, let me know if you've picked up this box or any of the previous boxes, because I know the other 2 boxes do have quite similar things in them. It's just the brushes are different designs and they're different prices as well. So I think you might get more or less in the other ones, just because the prices are on either side of, I think there was one for like £45 and there was one for about £33 or something like that. Just check the Spectrum website, they'll be on there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias, because I'm always active on there. And I hope you guys are having a really good week, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.